Ako, I love Korean food because it's flavorful, it has kick, and it's also very filling. So, we are making a very nice Korean stew, kimchi jjigae, and Korean steamed egg. So, today we are making something out of giniling and tofu. This is one of the quickest meals we make at home. We love Korean food, pero ito siya using easy to find ingredients. Giniling, may itlog, yan, and a bit of onions. We're using leeks today, and I'm just heating up my cast iron pot from Masflex Artisan Series. Ito walang oil kasi mataba naman yung ating giniling. And I have my garlic here. So I don't know if it's done the proper Korean way. Tayo naman. We make do with what we have and we try to replicate in the most practical way and adaptable sa Filipino kitchen. So, eto, walang oil ha. I'm just like sauteing this. A little bit of giniling and I will season with a little bit of salt. So, then I will add my leeks pero white part muna ilalagay ko and my garlic. It's more like toasting and if it renders a bit of fat, good. Ito, I'll just add a little bit of oil. Konti lang. So while this is like browning a bit for some flavor, we will add our other ingredients. Napaka-simple. Kimchi. Who loves kimchi? I love kimchi. It's good for your digestion, probiotics, fermented. Yan. That is our kimchi brine or kimchi juice. Juice to, pero hindi pwedeng inumin. And let's add a bit of Korean chili flakes, gochugaru. How spicy do you want it? It's up to you. Soy sauce. So this is just soy sauce, Filipino soy sauce. But if you have Korean soy sauce, go ahead. And at I'm just adding like a chicken cube, bouillon, Maggi. Yan. And let's add sugar for balance. Water. And we will let that simmer. No. So the secret here is to let it stew. Yan. Let that boil. Cover it up. So gagawa tayo ng Korean steamed egg. 6 eggs tayo. Ito, usually pag nasa, di ba, sangyup, libre yung pinamimigay na ganito. And ito, dear, ito yung pangtimpla natin para sumarap yung ating Korean steamed egg. Nalagyan ko ng Maggi, magic sarap. Because ang Korean, gumagamit naman ng dashi. This is like Filipino dashi. This has like chicken powder, it has onion powder, and garlic powder. Kaya malinamnam siya and masarap. Yan. And very convenient. Of course, pag kumain ka ng restaurant, gusto mo from scratch. Pero sa bahay, wag na natin pahirapan yung buhay natin. Dagdagan ng itlog. Hindi siya 6 eggs. 9 eggs siya. No? Sarap niya. Then, eto, para may kulay, meron tayong pa-carrots effect. Konti lang, di ba? So, kayo dyan, baka hindi pa kayo nagsusubscribe sa simple.ph YouTube channel. Medyo nagkagulo tayo ng konti, pero now you see. Nabubuo na. At maintindihan nyo yung mga plano namin. And of course, you can check out the simple.ph website for more stories beyond food. Delicious stories beyond food. Di ba? May editorial na rin tayo. Yan. And ito, carrots. Konting carrots natin dahil we just want to add a bit of color to our steamed egg. O, lagyan na yung carrots. Ito, ating spring onions. We're just adding this for a bit of color. Ating Maggi kasi nagdagdag tayo ng egg. Oh. And ito, lalagyan na natin tong ating egg or 2/3. Yan. Yan. Then we will add our tofu. We're using firm tofu. Then dice. Gano, para even yung pag-cut natin. Ganon. Center, then divide. Yan. I love this. Pero dapat yung sesame seed natin ito. So, magbigyan mo ng saute pan para mag-toss. Sarap nito. Takpan natin. Let that stew. Magto-toast na ating sesame seeds. Okay na tong aking sesame seeds. Bring out the flavor. And now, ang ating stew, we will add finishing touches. Sesame oil. Tama na. Ang bango. Then, ready to serve. Maganda to kasi pag ito yung gamit mo pag-serve sa bahay, matagal siya lumamig and the fresh leeks will add flavor. And now, we will add our little bit of sesame seeds. Tapos na. Ito lang steam egg yung inaantay natin. Takpan muna natin. And we will be ready to taste when everything is ready. And luto na pareho yung ating ulam for today. Ang ating kimchi jjigae, which is tofu and ground pork stew with kimchi and our steamed egg. Di ba? And ito, finish na natin with a little bit of sesame oil and spring onions. And lagyan natin ng sesame seeds. Kasi meron tayong sesame seeds. Kung meron tayong nori, pwede din nori. No? So, it's really up to you. And the nice thing about using a cast iron pot is that it stays hot even if you remove it from the heat. And it's time for me to taste. Eto, kung hindi pa kayo nagsusubscribe, please subscribe to the Simple.ph YouTube channel. Marami tayong recipes. And we will continue along with my other co-chefs. Marami na kami nagluluto dito sa Simple. Hindi na ako nag-iisa. Di ba, bongga? And, kakain na tayo. Come on, let's eat. We are ready. 1, beautiful. Yan. 2, beautiful. Napakadali. Napakasarap. Meron tayong kimchi. And I am ready to eat. Kayo, natatakam ba kayo? Ito lang, a simple dinner or lunch with the family or very easy kung dalawa lang kayo kakain. Kasi sometimes, mag-isa ka, pwede. Dalawa kayo, pwede. Pang maramihan, pwede. So simple to do. Try these recipes. And now, I will taste. Ito, masarap kasi mainit yung kanin. Kimchi muna. There's 2. Steaming hot. It's so good. Pwede ka pa maglagay ng melted cheese on top, no? Sarap. And a little bit more. Tikman natin yung soup. Napakadali. With your giniling and all that. Try this recipe. It can be spicier if you want. I'm excited. Eggs, di ba? Wiggle it. Complete meal na to. This is a complete meal. I will not complain. Will you complain? Strange for a Filipino to say that it's very comforting na hindi naman tayo Koreano. This is not our comfort food. But over the years of falling in love with Korean food, totoo na talaga siya. It's really comforting. And any hot stew like this, you can use beef strips, you can use diced na pork belly, or ito giniling lang siya, or even chicken, or make a vegetarian version with mushrooms and other vegetables. It's so delicious and so simple to do. Kakain mo na ako. Don't you worry, we got you. If you want simple recipes you can do for 1, 2, or many people to feed, eto siya. You can find it here on simple.ph. And these are our recipes for today, our kimchi jjigae and our steamed egg. Simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.